आज हम कुछ different करेंगे. I'm starting out a series today, from today, on doing different festival looks. We've got festivals coming up now, so I'm going to start out doing fun, quirky, different looks for you guys every single day. All right. Before we get delayed any further, let's get started. Also, please, if you hear some cartoon or some sort of noises in the background, I have my little kid sitting around next to me. So I'm going to do one of my favorite looks today. It's super simple on the eyes. Just 2 eyeshadows and a super bold dark lip. That's one of my favorite looks. I have my face almost, my face is done almost. I have a few things left I gotta finish doing. I'm going to start with my crease. Picked up like a maroon brown for the crease. Just going to smoke out my crease. So I'm going to pick up a brown, like a bronzy shade, to blend that out. Otherwise, it'll give you a very harsh look. You want your eyeshadow to blend in seamlessly. Once I have that, I'm going to pick up a light cream color. I'm going to pick up the same blending brush again with no added product. I'm just going to blend this out also. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to pick up that same brown maroon color and lay that down on my lower lash line. Music keeps me dancing. I'm going to pick up a bronzer shade again and blend this out. I'm not going to be doing an eyeliner today since I'll be putting up false lashes. I'm going to coat my eyelashes with the mascara. Alright, both our lashes are on. I'm going to just touch it up with a little bit of mascara, just so both of the lashes, the real ones and the falsies, can blend in. Also, don't forget your lower lashes. I'll come back to the eyes in a minute. I'm going to blush my face. Nothing too strong. Tip here, once I have the blush on and the bronzer done and the contour done, I like to clean up under my cheekbone right here with any brightening powder. What this does is it gives you a sharper, cleaner look. Alright, now for the fun part. I'm going to be highlighting. Obviously, I'm sure you would have guessed that. I'm going to be highlighting my eyebrow bone, brow bone. and bring that down. Blend it in with your finger if needed. My inner corners of the eyes. I'm going to blend it all out. Blending is the key to any makeup look. Whether you're a pro or you're just starting out, blending makes your makeup looks very seamless and it looks very well put together. Next is a dark lip. To clean up my lip with any concealer and a flat brush. Alright, once you have that done, set it with the setting spray. Alright, once you're done, we're going to set the face with the setting spray. Once it dries down, you're good to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That is it for the look. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed the video with a little bit of interruptions here and there. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so very much, and please wait out for the next video coming out soon for more festival looks. You want to say bye-bye to everybody? Here is my 3-year-old. He's not keeping well. Say bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
And blow a kiss. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.